Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 common grammatical errors we do. There are times when we feel we have read all the chapters and the rules, still we make mistakes. That is the time when you should start practice sheets including common errors. This gives you a quick recap. So let's just start. The first but the most common error we do is using persons in wrong order. First person, second person, third person. I, you, he, she, it, they, whatever. We say like, I and my friend are going. It sounds okay, but it isn't. You always have to put second person first, then third person, then first person. If all the three persons are there and are present in singular form. If two person first and second is there, you have to put second person first and then first person. For example, if you and your friend are going, you have to say, my friend and I are going. Let's just suppose you, your friend and some third person is going somewhere. You have to say, you, she and I are the members who have to join the party. But point to remember here is you have to use simple order, first person, second person, third person in two conditions. First, if all the three persons are present in plural form. Second condition, if you are talking about admitting some mistake. For example, we, you and they will go tomorrow. I, you and she have to admit the mistake. Or we, you and they have to admit the mistake. Simply remember it like this. If some guest arrives at your home, you'll offer them something first. Rather than you'll eat everything first, at last you'll offer something to the guest. Obviously not. The second common error is people say like one of the error, any of the error. How can you choose one out of one error, or how can you choose any of the error out of only one error? There must be many errors and then you can choose one out of it, isn't it? It's something like you have won the race in which you were running alone. One of the apples, not one of the apple. Simply remember it like this. I give you blue pencil and I'll tell you choose any of the pencil. What will you choose? Blue or something other? If I give you so many pencils and I tell you choose one of the pencils, you can choose any of the pencil. The third common error is we never take care of possessive adjective we are using. Always relate the possessive adjective to the subject of the sentence. How? He should realize his mistakes. She should realize her mistake. They should realize their mistake. Now, the error is when the line has one as subject, we often write his. One should realize his mistake. But tell me, who told you that one person is male only? So, if the subject is one, the possessive adjective will be once. One should realize one's mistake. Fourth common mistake is using second form with did. They have an idea in the mind that they have to frame a sentence in the past, and past sentence always have second form, isn't it? So they use second form, but when you write did, you have to use first form. Why? Because did is already past. You cannot put two past together. For example, I ate the whole ice cream right, but I didn't eat it wrong. When you eat chapati, you use sabji. But when you eat aloo paratha, do you eat aloo ki sabji with it? No, you use curd or pickle with it. But wait. If you are alone who can eat aloo paratha with aloo ki sabji, there's one thing for you. And the last common error for today's video is writing fastly. Fastly isn't a word. Fast is the word. Same. Firstly, secondly, thirdly. What's that? Keep in mind, there's already a debate whether firstly, secondly, thirdly are correct grammatical words or not. But why to take risk? If you are not talking to someone in a formal way or you are not writing something formal, till then it's okay. But if you are writing something formal or you are giving some formal presentation or you are talking to someone professionally, do not use these words. Firstly, I have to say this. No, you have to say first, I have to say this. Another related mistake is, like in our mother tongue we say पहली बात तो ये है. Mostly in arguments we say this word. While translating it into English we say firstly I have to say this. But it is totally incorrect, because even if in informal way you are using firstly as a word, that means you are putting something pointer wise. After firstly you have put first point. Now anyhow you have to use secondly word and then put second point. That's it for today's video. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.